Thousands of new AI products launch online. Most vanish within days, but a few turn into six-figure businesses that are made by complete beginners. In this video, I will break down exactly how those beginners pull it off. A step-by-step guide video using free tools, no coding, and a repeatable system that takes you from ideas to product to sales. And here's the best part. Stick with me till the very end and I will give you a secret shortcut that makes your launching your first AI product 10x faster. Before we begin, there are two things you must understand. People pay for relief, not take. They buy something that saves time, makes money, or reduces anxiety. Speed beats perfection. The faster you ship, the sooner you get real feedback, and the feedback compounds into revenue. That you know the core principles, let's build something that actually sells. First step is finding a high demand pain point. We can use tools like Google Trend, Reddit, TikTok, and Instagram. What we are gonna do is go on to e-commerce or business section of Reddit, and there we are gonna look for something that people find frustrating, too expensive, or have any other issue. We are going to do same with TikTok and Instagram. You are going to find something that has a high pain point. And once you are done finding a topic that has a high potential, go on to Google Trend and paste that keyword, and it will show you if it's trendy or not. But if you don't want to go through all these problems, then in the description there is a prompt which you can paste into ChatGPT and it will do all the work. Once you have a pinpoint, choose one of two product formats, video course or templates as bundle. Like no-sell template, I prefer course videos because people consume more videos than PDFs. But both sell the same way. Pick the format that fits the audience and the pain. Now I will be putting one more prompt in the description which you can paste in the ChatGPT and it will design the lesson and modules for the video. And once you are done finding your lessons and modules, what you are gonna do is either you are gonna show your face and your voice and design the videos, or you are gonna use AI and do it faceless. And what you can use is a software called CapCut to edit your videos. It provides free caption and other tools. And once you are done designing your videos, you are gonna go to work and put your product on sale. Now the selling plan. You are gonna make fresh Instagram and TikTok account, put the product link in your bio. Then you are gonna upload the demos and walkthrough of your course onto that account. And then you are going to go on Reddit, Instagram or Discord and then message people directly saying, I saw you asked about X problem. I have made a small toolkit that solves it. You wanna try? Then you are gonna provide the link of your product. Remember, this process will take a lot of time, so the patience is the key. Now, the shortcut I promise. This is the real multiplier. You don't have to rebuild every product from scratch. You are gonna build one-time asset using Canva. Create a file, one cover page, two content page, and one preview layout for your product. Then export it. And then you are gonna put all the content from ChatGPT. I have one master prompt in the description. Just you have to change the pin point and the niche. It will give you the content for your product. And then you're gonna put it into the file of your Canva. And then you're gonna sell it on Gumroad or either on Whoop. Or you can create your own landing page and then put the link in there. And you're gonna even message people directly on Instagram, Discord and other social media platform. And that's the secret. A reusable tactic from which you can build 1,000 more products. And if you wanna take it to a next level, what you can do is design the videos. Just take assets from internet and then just put a caption there and then AI voiceover and done. And like that you can do it. Until then, remember, in this world only the richest, strongest and the best survives.